In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add automatic caption on CapCut PC. So first, I import a video from my computer. So it's drag and drop on a timeline. That's it. Now I need to click on caption. You can see this caption option. Now delete current caption, and so my video language English. So this is a transformation and language. So if you want to change its Bengali, Chinese, Polish, and any of, so I don't need, I skip this option. Then identity filter word, if you want, just turn on it, then click on generate. So you can see it's already generating 5%, 6%, 9%. So I need to wait few seconds only. Wow, it's already generated. This is amazing. If I playing this video in today's video, I'm going to show you how to animate text in CapCut PC. So you can see it's already generated. So if I want to change its color and text, font, everything, so now I want to click on this color option. You can see this mouse hover. So if I change its red, black, white, etc., then just go back. Then if you want to click it below bold, that's it. Font size, you can change anything up, so I don't need this one. That's good. So if I playing at the first moment beginning of the video, in today's video I'm going to show you how to animate text in CapCut PC. So I first, it's amazing. So keep in mind this is only available in pro account. Free account, if you are free user, you cannot add this caption option on your video. If you have a paid account, you are eligible for this section to add automatic caption. See you again, take care, bye.